Boost your confidence with positive affirmations. Sarah, a software engineer, once struggled with self-esteem. Every morning, she faced the mirror and repeated positive affirmations like, "I am capable, I am strong, and I can achieve my goals." Within weeks, Sarah noticed a remarkable transformation in her confidence and productivity. Here are 10 effective hacks to boost your confidence with positive affirmations. Morning rituals. Start your day with affirmations to set a positive tone. Consistency is key. Repeat affirmations daily to reinforce positive thoughts. Visual aids. Write affirmations on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them often. Affirmation apps. Use apps to remind you to practice daily affirmations. Believe in your words. Speak affirmations with conviction to make them more effective. Affirmation meditation. Combine affirmations with meditation for deeper impact. Journal your progress. Write down your affirmations and track your progress. Mirror technique. Look into the mirror while saying your affirmations to build self-belief. Customize your affirmations. Tailor affirmations to address specific areas of your life. Group practice. Share affirmations with friends or family for collective encouragement.